What's up guys, RPMGTA here. Today I'll be showing you how to make a doorbell on Minecraft. Again, like my previous video, I was shown by a friend on Xbox, so all credit to him again. For this tutorial you need a note block, 10 redstone, I'd say about 10, but maybe more. Maybe a door, but it's up to you. I've made this little setup over here to try and show you as best I can how to make it. So first of all, I'm just going to put a door down. Now a button there. Note block. This sign is optional. Doorbell. Press once. So there we go. Another thing this button will do is open the door and then close it. So now what you want to do is block there, some redstone there, redstone there, dig down and again and again. You can do this many other ways, put the stuff wherever you want. Put the notebook down there and pick a noise. So once that's done, whenever someone presses the button there, a sound will ring. So please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.